Hey guys, JD here with the Kawasaki Ultra 310 jet ski. And today, I'm going to show you the Stage 3 fuel system upgrade kit from Kawi Performance. So I want to start by saying do not attempt this at home. Consult a professional, qualified watercraft mechanic before modifying the fuel system on your personal watercraft. Now that we got that out of the way, let me show you what I'm doing to my fuel system here, getting my Kawasaki Ultra 310 ready for the ultimate Stage 3 kit. Now, you've already seen my video on the Kawi Performance fuel pump upgrade mod, so I'm now running a pump with adequate flow to handle the Stage 3 tune on this jet ski. But in some of our testing, we really wanted to take things to the next level, so Kawi Performance has hooked me up with their Stage 3 fuel system upgrade kit. Now, I'm going to show you some of the components that are included here. This kit is not available on their website. If you are racing or you're an offshore or closed course rider, reach out to Kawi Performance and request this kit. It is very, very expensive. I'm not even going to give you the pricing here. So the first thing you have to do is, if you saw my fuel pump install video, I currently have a fine mesh type filter on my fuel pump. So you need to swap that out with this coarse mesh filter first of all. That's because we're then going to run this Kawi Performance external fuel filter. So this is going to go in the tank. This is going to go prior to our fuel pressure regulator and our injectors. So let's take a look at this fuel pressure regulator. This is all made in USA, stainless steel. And then I've got this Marshall liquid filled fuel pressure gauge here, also made in the USA. So this is going to allow me, and just so you guys know, this also has a vacuum advance. We're not going to be using that for this application, but for now, I'm just going to show you this component. Extremely high quality. It's got all your stainless steel quick connect fittings. Kawi Performance has fabricated this hose for me with the quick connect fittings already in place. And then here's the new cap for the OEM fuel pump assembly. This now has this return port that's going to allow that extra fuel to return back to the tank without modifying the tank. This is just a modified top piece. And then you can see we've got all the stainless steel brackets with stainless steel hardware, stainless steel Edeker clamps. And then this is a custom-made fuel pump pressure regulator block-off plate. This is going to go in the fuel pump. It's going to eliminate the factory regulator. You can see it's welded off there. And this is going to allow you to run this external regulator on your Kawasaki Ultra 310. And again, I will reveal the results of the testing once this is all installed. And I'm going to show you the full map tuner data log from the Stage 3 Plus Ultra 310. But critical to upgrading your Ultra 310 is the fuel system. The factory fuel pump is woefully inadequate and unreliable. So before you do any of this, you need to upgrade to the Kawi Performance High Flow Fuel Pump Mod Kit. I'm going to show you a couple shots of that here. And again, I want to give you a look at this regulator. It's all stainless steel, really extremely high quality. And again, this isn't something that you can just go and purchase from the Kawi Performance website. If you are interested in a setup like this, please contact Kawi Performance directly for a consultation. These components are extremely expensive. And again, I have to say, I do not recommend that you modify the fuel system on your jet ski unless you are a professional personal watercraft mechanic and using this for closed course offshore racing. Anyway, this was just a quick look at this Stage 3 fuel system upgrade from Kawi Performance. And make sure to stay tuned for my full monster build video. That's going to include all the data logging, show you my top speeds, and all the components I've installed on this Kawasaki Ultra 310 jet ski. That includes components from Riva Racing and from Kawi Performance. Thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more exclusive jet ski content, only on JD's Water World.